Hey everybody, Carolina Gun Guy here. But nope, today for the purpose of this video, I am Carolina Gold Guy. I recently placed an order with SD Bullion. I got some gold and some silver. It's over $1,000 that was ordered. I figured I would do an unboxing video today and we can see what I got together because I may or may not have forgotten exactly what I ordered. Now, let's go ahead and get this open. They always package their boxes way too good. I mean, there's no reason to have these boxes packaged as good as they are. But I guess it gets here safe. And that's what matters. So we'll get that FedEx label off. Toss it to the side. Open every edge. And let's see what is inside. Shipping label. Does it really need to be packaged 18 different times and ways? First object. This is 2019 silver Britannia coins from the Great Britain, from the British Mint. I'm going to go ahead and get my fancy dancy white gloves on here before I touch any of these. I'll show you what is inside. Look at these. They are a nice specimen. 2019 Britannia, 1 ounce. The British Mint started making these back in 1997, and since 2013 they've been with 0.999 silver. They were something like 0.958 before that. But I got 25 of these, and they're going to go to the side for now. Let's see what else came out. See if I can get in here. Who doesn't love some good bubble wrap, right? Okay. Next, I'm going to pull these guys out. This one is a $5 Liberty Head Half Eagle, struck by the U.S. Mint. Obviously has an 1881 date, and there is the back of it. This is a used coin. Obviously it's not a uncirculated, very fine condition, and I like it. It seems to be pretty good. Get back, get the other guy out. This one is 20 francs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's the 20 franc, 1910. Obviously it's a French coin, also in circulated condition. Put it over here. Now these two I got just for the fun of it because the premium that you pay on these is way overrated, but I just wanted to have some fun little coins. This is a 1/10 ounce silver Mexican Libertad coin. It's a way mini version. There's no practical use for this either. And the next one is a 1/20 ounce, so it's even more small. But one thing, if you don't know me, I love tiny versions of large things and large versions of miniature things, and these fit the bill quite nice when they're hard to even focus on here. 1/20 of an ounce right here from the Mexican Mint. Go ahead and set these down. Get into the next ones. A couple of kangaroos, Australian kangaroos. I got 2 of these guys. They're 0.9999 silver. Look at the design on these. Oh man, those are nice. 2019. Can't say the Australians make a bad silver coin, because this thing is just fancy. Figured I'd add a couple of these to my collection, and that would be good. And last, got a couple of 2019 silver Kruger rands. Now they started making these in silver in 2017 as kind of an anniversary, 50th anniversary special for the gold ones. They started producing these in mass in 2018, and they're just as fine as their gold counterparts. 1 ounce of 0.999 silver. Well, that's it, guys. Just a little unboxing. That's what I got. If you guys want to get into coins and you want to start collecting anything, I mean, I encourage you to do that, because coins are a great way to have some kind of investment, build some kind of investment, and they're fun. There's so many different varieties you can get, and if you have any questions about what you should be getting or what to do, feel free to shoot me an email. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Take care.